Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So now take a stick and fix it on the back of the hairs. Now roll the hairs like this on the top and then roll it like this and fix it on the alternative sides. Now keep repeating the process for a few more times. You have to roll the hairs on the top and then make a tight bun around the stick by folding the hairs like this. Now at the end, fix the hairs on the top like this using the hairpin, or you can just fix it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take the hairs on the back and then make a ponytail like this in the small section of the hairs. Now fix the hairpin or the hair stick. Now fix the hairs from both the sides and then take the hairs and then fold it like this on the top and then roll it around the stick one by one. So you can watch how we have fixed the hairs on the sides of it. Now tie it like this on the top and roll the hairs around as we are doing here and fix it till the end. And your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to take the hairs and fix the hair stick in the between like this. Now after fixing the hairs properly on the top, we'll be taking the hairs and then we'll be folding it like this. So watch it how carefully we have fixed the stick. Now divide the hairs, or just take the divided hairs and then roll it on the top and then fix it by folding it around the hairs on the same direction one time and then on the alternative sections on the other time like this. Now fix it by rolling it and make a tight bun on the back. Fix the hairs and fold it like this. Now after tying the hairs, roll it carefully on the hairs on the top. Now tie the hairs and fold it one by one as shown in the video. Now fix it on the top and your hairstyle is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, moving on to the other or new hairstyle, we have to take the hairs as shown in the video. Now take the hairs from the sides and make the plaits on it in the small sections. Now fix the stick and then roll the hairs around the stick one by one as shown in the video. Fold it like this on the top. Now divide the rest of the hairs into two parts and roll it around the hairs on the top from one direction. So take the hairs on the alternative directions like this and fold it, and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we have to take the hairs like this and make a ponytail as shown in the video on the top. Now after tying the hairs, roll it like this and then fold it. Now after folding the hairs, fold it like this and then tie the bun as shown in the video. Fold it as shown here and then fix it with the hairpins or the hair stick like this on the top by making a bun, and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.